Hi everyone, my name is M.Alfur.leadershipWala and I welcome you all to my new video. I hope you guys all are doing well. Today I watch a very interesting TED Talk video, so I thought it's best or maybe it's alright for me to review this video, and it's also our task. So we need to complete those tasks and upload it on our social media accounts. Uh, It was a very interesting video and maybe very knowledgeable video. It Main topic was what we are learning from only education by Daphne Koller. The person who was speaking is Daphne Koller, and she asked what we learning from online education is a powerful and insightful talk by and Daphne Koller that explore how online platform are transforming the way we learn. As the co-founder of Coursera, she brings real world experiences and data to support her idea, making her perspective both credible and inspiring. And one of the most scarring point in this talk is how online education break down traditional barrier, like uh, Kohler explain that access to high quality education is no longer limited by geographic, like most universities limit most of the universities are limited, only students can apply, if there are 100 students they do mock exam or test exam, and only those student can apply who have a highest mark. And right now our most important problem is that there these universities charge too much money for a student to apply it and use it on their life. So she introduced most and beautiful part, and it's our main point. Koller explained that access to high education is no longer limited by geographic finances or institute prestige. Anyone with an internet connection can now learn from top university and expert around the world. The democratization, democratizations. Sorry about this word because it's my first time pronounces this word, so it may be look like this. And democratization of knowledge is truly a revolutionary, especially for students in developing region who previous has limited opportunities, like those students who live in different country, or maybe they can't purchase most universities uh, courses. They can now they can do it with internet only. If they have internet connection, they can also learn top universities courses. And right now there are Harvard University, which is top university, and they provide a free courses for student. If you watch if you go to their website like harvarduniversity.com, you can learn most of the things. And another important takeaway is the use of data and technology to improve learning outcomes. Only platforms can track student progress, identify common mistakes, and adjust content accordingly. This allow for a more personalized learning experience compared to traditional classes. Koller emphasized that this data-driven approach help educators understand how students learn best, leading to continue improvement in teaching method. The talk also highlight the importance of active learning instead of passive learning listening. Student engage with quizzes, like they provide a quiz which student need to answer them correctly. If they are incorrect, so they try again. And per semester, and interactive exercises, and this not only increase the retention but also encourage deeper understanding. Kohler point out that students learn more effective when they active participate, rather than just consume information, like just not only reading. They can they participate in classes and they learn from their teacher or mentor. And moreover, she discussed the global community aspect of online educational. Learners from different cultures and backgrounds come together, share ideas, and collaborate. This creates a rather richer and more diverse learning environment, preparing students for connected and globalized work. However, the talk also study in the subtly acknowledge challenges such as motivation, uh, completions tasks, completion rates, and the need of self-discipline in online learning. While the opportunities are vast, success still depends on the learning community and consistency. Overall, this talk is both informative and inspiring. Daphne Koller present a clear vision of the future education, right, like right now, because this TED Talk video was uploaded in, I think, 2013, and right now it's 2026. There are too much or maybe resources for every student to be able to approach if we learn it in better phase of life without spending a penny on it. And one that is accessible, data driven, and learners centered. It encouraged us to rethink traditional education system and embrace the possibility offered by technology. And my final thought is that this is must watch for student, professor, like educate professor, and other person who also are studying, or maybe they want to study in their life for much more knowledge, and anyone interested in the future of learning. If they want to learn about the future, which is right now is not very good. I think maybe is war going on because of that. And it does not only explain how online educator work, but also show why it's matter in today rapidly changing world. Like right now, there are things which day by day challenges are increasing for student to understand everything. There are artificial intelligence which are helping or to make work easy if we are going to use them in our better in better way. So I hope you guys like this session. That's it from my side because it's only 20-minute video, and I think half maybe I try my best to explain you guys, and there might be some adjustment in this video. I try to do everything I can so I can upload a best reviews I can, or maybe uh, of those video where I talk with ChatGPT. I hope you guys also like this section and enjoy it. Please subscribe and we must watch uh, Daphne Koller video. It's like 20 minutes long and very useful for student or educators. That's it. And Allah Hafiz.